Assalamualaikum to my lecturer, Dr. Wahida, and my fellow friends. My name is Muhammad Irfan bin Masuri, and my matrix number is 2023449102. In this video presentation, I will talk about the dashboard I've created using Power BI. The dashboard I've created is about video games. The dashboard can be used to know the statistic details of a video game. It also can be used by the game developers, gaming companies, gamers, and casual people to know the best-selling video game, best-selling genre, and company with the most profit. When creating the dashboard, I need to clean the dataset I have acquired from Kaggle. Data cleaning is a process of cleaning the dataset that come with it crude data and to remove or correcting the crude data to improve the quality of the data and ensure it to be suitable when used to do an analysis. I have used four types of data cleaning. First is remove column, second is remove null value, third is change data type, and lastly standardized value. First, remove column is a process to remove any unnecessary column that will not be used in the dashboard. Secondly, a remove null value is a process to remove the null or blank value that come with the dataset. Those null values need to be removed because it will hindering and give false information when making analysis. Thirdly, change data type is a process to change the type of data and the column and the changes if you want the decimal number into currency data type. Lastly, data standardization is a process to standardize the data value. Here you can multiply, divide, add, and subtract the value of your data. Visualization is crucial to showcase the dataset in a form that can be easily to understand for other peoples. Here I use five types of visualization, which is stack bar chart, donut chart, matrix, slicer, and card. Stack bar chart is useful to represent the highlight of the best video game sales. Donut chart is a variation of pie chart with the center of the chart is removed. Donut chart show how many segments that is being held by the top 5 video games genre. Matrix is a table that can be used to investigate the relationship between the subject, variable, and their interaction without reducing the dimension. Slicer is a filter that can be used to filtering out information that isn't needed in the dashboard. Here is the slicer for the video games platform and video games genre. Lastly is a card, which is a simple visual that display any important metrics. Here is the total sum of global sales. In conclusion, Power BI is a useful tool for displaying data to any organization to make any decision that related to increasing profit or benefit to their organization. Thank you.